I'm about to show you how you can change the region or the servers on Among Us 3D. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So basically this region will specify the language and the server you connect when playing Among Us 3D. So to change it, you need to go to the main menu, and as you can see, mine it's Europe. So if you click here, you can set different regions. So you can set, for example, South America, Europe, US, Japan, or Asia. And if you set it as automatically, it will try to find the one that fits better for you. So depending on the server you choose, you might experience some lag. So if you select a server which is too far from you, you might have some lag. But in my case, I'm gonna leave it in Europe, and now if I try to play a quick match, it will connect me to matches or lobbies in the Europe server. So that's basically it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.